Mons with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. I've got one from, here it is. This came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Maruchan Hiyashi Stamina Niku Soboro Soba. It's supposed to be a cold noodle, so you let it steep, you drain it, rinse it with cold water, and it's got a chili oil and garlic kind of thing to it, they say. So we will see how that goes. Let's bring it over here. Alright. That can go back in the deal. This goes on at the end. This appears to be a buckwheat noodle, of which I'm not an incredible fan, but I'm going to give this a chance because it sounds fascinating. I really do like cold noodles, and they are a wonder in the summer months, which you obviously aren't in anymore. What, are you like getting Christmas presents and stuff at this point? Having Christmas parties? Doing a little Christmassy thing? Maybe Hanukkah? Maybe Kwanzaa? Maybe the exalted of all holidays, Festivus? I don't know. Let's put that in there. Oh my. Well, we'll see how that goes. And we have 4 minutes. So this weekend we went up to my sister's place in Anacortes, Washington, where I was born and raised. Lived there for 26 years of my 400-year reign. And yeah, it's a nice place. I hated it when I was a kid. There was just nothing to do there. And went up there. We put the new, because we got our new car. We got our new wheels, our new lease. So it's not ours. We got our rental. Our 3-year rental. That's what I like to call it. And I love it when you get it and they give you the keys and they're like, congratulations. And I always say, and it always makes their like big grin go like this to like, it's like, congratulations on the huge car payments we're going to give you every month. You're like, what do you want from me, huh? But yeah, we went up there. We put our new our regular license plates. We have vanity plates. We call each other Pup and Kit. And I thought one year we have to get license plates that say that. So we did. And we put our stickers. We got the stickers that you put on the back that have the mom and the dad and the son and the daughter on them. So we got that. On the left window, we have a Spock, live long and prosper. Yeah, I can't do it. But one of those, because Miles likes Spock. On the other hand, on the other side, where Mimi sits, we have a nerdy Hello Kitty thing. We've got a San Francisco Giants license plate holder on the back, and currently have a live long and prosper one on the front. The thing that sucks is my wife, she ordered a one that had guinea pigs all around it. And the one that they sent, it's like it's completely offset. Somebody's like, they won't care. So you're supposed to have like little guinea pigs in a ring around the plate. Well, you get like the top half way down here and the bottom half way up here. So they're like bisected guinea pigs. It's not nice. Right, ladies? You don't like that. You don't want to be bisected. They don't like that. Yeah, gonna go get another one. And what's today? 3 days till Miles turns 7. That's a big deal. 7. Lucky number 7. Hopefully a wonderful year for my son. And what else? Yeah, we're gonna go do that this afternoon. Debating whether I want more burritos. I'd have to walk to the store. I want to walk to the store. But now we got another freaking heat wave, man. I'm sick of it. We got a heat advisory for the next 3 days. I'm really burnt out on these things because it's really hard to go walking and enjoy it here when that happens. Get a little bit of cloud. You get just like a nice, big, thick, nasty layer of humidity, and then it's hot. And it's just like you go out, at least I go out, I walk for like 20 minutes and I'm dripping sweat. It's horrible. It didn't used to be that way, but I gained a lot of weight after I got COVID. And so once the kids go back to school at the end of the month, my plan is to really ramp it up and get rid of all that weight. And I think I can do it. That's my plan. Wish me luck. That's my plan, to come back from whence I was deal. Yeah, I don't know if that sachet was supposed to go in at this point. I think it might have been more of a shoot. But we'll drain it, we'll rinse it with cold water, we'll add the goo on, and we'll see how that goes. It should go fine. So here we go. Draining and rinsing with the cold it's water, it's cold water. That should do it. I'm not getting any warmth off of that. That stuff wasn't supposed to go in at the beginning. Crap, crap, crap. It looks like bits and pieces. Little bits and little pieces. Interesting. I haven't tried this one. This is from a range of Maruchan products that I really don't know what they're called. I would be floored if you like instant noodles. You've probably seen the Akai Kitsune Udon. Comes in a red one that looks like... Where did I put it? I keep losing these things. Yeah, it looks a lot like this one. And then there's a green one that's Midori no Taduki, which is a green one that... Midori is green. And it comes with tempura... I can't remember. It's been a while. But the Akai... Yeah, that one comes with a tempura disc. And the Akai Kitsune Udon comes with a big old tongue of fried tofu. I don't know. I always thought they looked like a big tongue. So here's what we got. It's cold, ladies and gentlemen. But I saw nothing mentioning like cucumber, so I don't feel too bad. Cheers. I get a tiny bit of chili. Chili and garlic, they said. That's not bad. So what we will do, gussy it up in that bowl. Do I really want to use a bowl? I haven't used this bowl in so long. I feel like it needs some attention, so here you go. You are in that bowl, and that's the deal now. There Jib jabba jibba 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 jabba jibba jibba. And we'll get a little bit of this on there, like that. Now, normally when I apply stuff, okay, first off, we've got, it's cold, so I'm going to use some, what do you call it? Kamaboko. I got this at the Japanese market. Wajimaya. Not in Seattle, but in Renton. I am going to use some chashu, but I'm not going to heat it up. But why, Ramen Raider? Why? Because it just seems like it doesn't need to be heated up. And I think egg is appropriate. Egg appropriate. This egg didn't do so well. Not completely thrilled about this egg. I keep getting hit and miss on egg. Jammy egg, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that jammy egg. That's such a weird term. Sesame Street is going on out there. It's getting close to their lunchtime. Haven't gotten harassed yet. They're being really good today. I'm proud of them. Yeah, this isn't bad. This is definitely a different kind of cold noodle. I like Hiyashi Soba. Or Hiyashi Udon. He's good. But, yeah, I think we are about there. Maybe a touch of seed. Shichimi? Maybe a dash on the mung bean sprout. A tad more than a dash. A dash, a tad. There we go. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is yet another one from ZenPop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Miojo Charomera Consomme Tomato. And it features characters from the anime One Piece, which I know nothing about. We'll talk about anime on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.